Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Study of Mathematics. Here we discuss chapter 2 Transformation of Axis. In a plane, we can drawing the x-axis and y-axis, or these are called coordinate axes. In this plane, these axes are not fixed. They can be changed. When the position of axis is changed, the coordinates of a point also get changed. The axis can be transformed or changed usually in the following ways. In three ways, that are: 1. Translation of axis, second one rotation of axis, and translation and rotation of axis. In this, we have to first know about the translation of axis. First, translation of axis definition. The transformation obtained by shifting the origin to a given different point in the plane without changing the directions of coordinate axis therein is called a translation of axis. That means in this translation of axis, the origin 0, 0 is shifted to some other point in the plane without changing the direction of axis. If origin is shifted, then usually the points and coordinate axes are also changed or shifted to other. That is, OX and OY are the coordinate axes with origin O equal to 0, 0 and the any point P equal to X, Y. Then this origin O is shifted to O dash H, K by translation of axis. Then the point P shifted to P of X dash, Y dash, and the coordinate axes are shifted to O dash X dash and O dash Y dash respectively. If the origin 0, 0 is shifted to H, K by the translation of axis, then P of X, Y be translated to P of X dash, Y dash. Then we have P of X dash, Y dash equal to P of X minus H, Y minus K. And similarly, P of X, Y equal to P of X dash plus H, Y dash plus K. This is translation of axis. Next, rotation of axis. Definition. The transformation obtained by rotating both the coordinate axes in the plane by an equal angle without changing the position of the origin is called a rotation of axis. In this rotation of axis, we have not changed the origin value, but we change the position, that means angle of the axis. That means let P of X, Y with reference to the axis OX and OY. Let the axis be rotated through an angle theta in the positive direction about the origin O to get the new system OX dash and OY dash. When the axes are rotated through an angle theta, then first one, the coordinates of a point P of X, Y are transformed as P of X dash, Y dash equal to X cos theta plus Y sin theta, minus X sin theta plus Y cos theta. And the equation f of X, Y equal to 0 of the curve is transformed as f of X dash cos theta minus Y dash sin theta, X dash sin theta plus Y dash cos theta equal to 0. That means P of X, Y equal to X dash cos theta minus Y dash sin theta, X dash sin theta plus Y dash cos theta. This is the rotation of axis. Third one, translation and rotation of axis. If the origin is shifted to H, K and then the axes are rotated through an angle theta, then the coordinates of a point P of X, Y are transformed as P of X dash, Y dash equal to X cos theta plus y sin theta minus h, comma, minus x sin theta plus y cos theta minus k, and the equation f of x comma y equal to 0 of the curve is transformed as f of x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta plus h, comma, x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta plus k equal to 0. That means p of x comma y equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta plus h, comma, x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta plus k. This is translation and also rotation of axis formula. By using all these formulas, we have to solve the problems in this chapter. First, we go to example problem and solutions. 2.1.5 examples. Example 1. When the origin is shifted to minus 2, 3 by translation of axis, let us find the coordinates of 1, 2 with respect to new axis. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to given shifted origin is minus 2, 3. Given coordinates of point P equal to 1, 2. And now we have to find out the point P of x dash, y dash. Solve the solution. Solution. Given that h, k equal to minus 2, 3 and let point x, y equal to 1, 2. And now x dash, y dash equal to, we know the formula x minus h, y minus k equal to 1 plus 2, 2 minus 3. That is equal to 3, minus 1. Therefore, the coordinates of new axis equal to 3, minus 1. This is our problem solution. 2.1.5 examples. Example 2. When the origin is shifted to 3, 4 by the translation of axis, let us find the transformed equation of 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y square equal to 0. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to given shifted origin h, k equal to 3, 4 and we have to find out the transformed equation of given equation. Now we have to solve the solution. Solution. Given h, k equal to 3, 4. Let P of x, y be point on the coordinates axis. Then P of x dash, y dash be the shifted point. Given equation is original axis equation. Then we will turn this equation into transformed axis equation. Then x, y can be written as x, y equal to x dash plus h, y dash plus k. Here we substitute h, k values. Then x, y equal to x dash plus 3, y dash plus 4. Given original axis equation is 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y square equal to 0. Equation number 1. Substitute x, y values in equation 1, we have 1 implies 2 into x dash plus 3 whole square plus 4 into x dash plus 3 into y dash plus 4 plus 5 into y dash plus 4 whole square equal to 0. After expanding the above equation, we have 2 into x dash square plus 9 plus 6x dash plus 4 into x dash y dash plus 4x dash plus 3y dash plus 12 plus 5 into y dash square plus 16 plus 8y dash equal to 0. After expanding the above equation, then we will get 2x dash square plus 18 plus 12x dash plus 4x dash y dash plus 16x dash plus 12y dash plus 48 plus 5y dash square plus 80 plus 40y dash equal to 0. After simplification, we have 2x dash square plus 4x dash y dash plus 5y dash square plus 28x dash plus 52y dash plus 146 equal to 0. Therefore, The transformed equation of 1 is 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y square plus 28x plus 52y plus 146 equal to 0. This is our given problem solution. 2.2.4 example. Let us find the coordinates of P of 1, 2 with reference to the new axis when the axes are rotated through an angle of 30 degrees. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to given original axis coordinates P of 1, 2 and angle theta equal to 30 degrees. Then find out the new axis coordinates. Now solve the solution. Solution. Given P of x, y equal to 1, 2 and angle theta equal to 30 degrees. Here we have to find out P of x dash, y dash. Here we apply the rotation of axis formula for finding x dash, y dash values. That is x dash equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta. Here we substitute values x, y and theta value. That is equal to 1 into cos 30 plus 2 into sin 30. After substitute cos 30 and sin 30 values, then we have 1 into root 3 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 equal to root 3 by 2 plus 1. Taking LCM and then equation becomes equal to root 3 plus 2 by 2. We know about y dash equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Here also we apply x and y values and theta value. That is equal to minus 1 into sin 30 plus 2 into cos 30. Here sin 30 value is 1 by 2 and cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Substitute in the above equation. Then we have equal to minus 1 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into root 3 by 2. Here take 2 as LCM, then above equation becomes minus 1 plus 2 root 3 by 2. Therefore, the new coordinates of P are root 3 plus 2 by 2, minus 1 plus 2 root 3 by 2. This is our problem solution. Thanks for watching our video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications.